Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete Gmail account permanently. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Gmail. And then you just have to type your email address and then your password and you will be logged into your Gmail account. So to start, you just have to go to your profile, tap this one, and then click manage your Google account. Okay, tap this one here. And then once you're here, you just have to scroll down and look for data and privacy. Now you have to scroll down here and look for more options. Okay. And then under more options, you will see there, delete your Google account. Tap this one and you need to enter your password again. Once done, click next and you will see this one here. So please read this carefully. You must be very careful, okay? Because all this content will be deleted, your photos, YouTube calendar, contacts, Google Play app, and so on. So once you're okay with this and you are 100% sure that you want to delete your Google account, you just have to tap this two boxes here, check this, and then click delete account. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.